Hi quilters, I'm Shelly Robson from the Quilted Forest, and we have new product in. We've got a little bit of notions and some fun stuff and some fabric. So let's see what's in these boxes. All right, this is a small one, so I'm guessing magazines, and I would be right. So the newest Quilts and More magazine is here. Oh, it looks like there's some fun projects in there. 17 ways to decorate with quilts. That sounds like a good one. All right, we'll get those checked in. I'm gonna guess the skinny ones, rulers. Yep, I'd be right. We're restocked on rulers to go on our new ruler display, so that works out really well for us. Let's keep that stocked up. All right, this one's a pretty light box, so yep, this one, oh, I thought this one was on back order, so that's good. Excellent. Polytherm fleece, sweet. Great for pot holders and that kind of stuff. And this one is fusible fleece, so that's all back in stock. Sometimes it's hard to stay current and have all the things we usually have. And I try to keep the ordering happening a lot so that we can make sure we don't run out of stuff, but best intentions, sometimes I don't get what I need. More fusible fleece, so we got plenty of that now. We have the woven fusible, so great for t-shirt quilts and bags and things like that. And then we have some of the decor bond, which is a heavy duty stabilizer. We got that back in stock. That'll be good. All right, one more box full of motions and that kind of thing. All right, oops, kind of missed the mark there. All right. Whew, excellent. We have the Quilt Builder card deck set number 2. We have set number 1, but we finally got set number 2. Kind of was waiting on those. Those are cool. It's going to be very similar to the first set. I'm going to open one of these up quick. Show you what it is, because I'm going to want one. So when you open this up, inside there are a bunch of different cards. And these cards have different quilt blocks on them. And it shows multiple sizes of the quilt blocks. And so it will have all these different blocks. They're all in there. You can mix and match them to make quilts, which is really fun. So you got the black and white picture. And then on the back, it'll have a color picture, how to piece it together, and then the black and white diagrams. And then there are 5 sizes, anywhere from 6-inch to 36-inch. So that's kind of fun. Can't wait to do a little exploring and see what the different blocks are. And it comes in that handy case. All right, so we got a bunch of those. Okay, what's next? Some more rulers. We love the creative grid rulers. So we've got 10.5-inch rulers and then 6.5 by 12. We've got more of the rotary cutter, the heavy duty creative grids rotary cutter. This one has some weight to it. We have one here if you want to hold it in your hand before you buy. It comes with the handy case. Get some of those in stock now. Oops, just kind of piling things up. We've got some flour sack towels because we were getting low on those. We have some refills on magic pins. And there's a new kind which has the flat heads instead of a rounded edge. So those are kind of like the flower pins. They're a nice flat head. All right, QCR mini ruler is back in stock. That is a really fun ruler to use. We've got a bunch of samples using that. Deanne's been working on a Quilt As You Go tree skirt, and we have the product available to go with it now. Here's the little tin. This one looks like it's in good shape. By Sandy Gervais. And then more tree skirts. And then some books and patterns. We've got mini wonderful curves. And then that goes with that mini ruler. Those two items go together. And then the Easy Peasy Quilt book is back in stock. And that Quarter Friendly Quilts is back in stock. So that's good news for us. And a new book we got, although it looks like they didn't send us all of them, 3-yard quilt favorites. All right, this is a new ruler for us. The So Square 10-inch ruler from So Kind of Wonderful. And then, let's see, more towels, the mini professional tote, refills for the new rotary cutter, and some needles. Whoa, kind of threw everything up here. It's all falling apart. Needles, wonder clips, more needles. Those are all needles. We can restock all that. And embroidery scissors. So lots of fun stuff there. All right, I'm going to get this out of the way so we can get to the fabric. Some MODA boxes here. Let's see what's in them. Ah, I've been waiting for this stuff. And I'll get these open. There they are. All right, so I've got some Kansas Troubles quilter fabric. This is called Maple Hill. We had the pre-cuts to go with this already, so now we're finally getting the yardage. So we've got a green and a blue. It's got a really nice little leaf on it. And then there's that nice deep red burgundy color. Fantastic navy. That is an excellent little background. Oh, and this is the same pattern, but it's got a little color to it. Love that. And here's another background, but it's got a little different pattern on it. And this is the same pattern as the background in that red color. And then in this box are some more of the Maple Hill. That same pattern in the blue. And the green. And this wonderful gold. And these are all going to fall apart here in a second. This green. It's nice to have some Kansas Troubles back in stock. This middle box has some more Christmas. Just a little polka dot. And then that same polka dot. This is kind of an aqua color. A nice Christmas green. Christmas red. I'm saving the fun fabric for the end here. Which one? I'll show you next. Okay, this one has words on it, so it's kind of like Christmas invitation, holiday goods. It's like advertising kinds of stuff. And then this one, I love. Looks like Grandma crocheted it. Love those granny squares. And then this one is an all over print that kind of looks like a collage. So there's some music on there, a little bit of trees, this little badge, bird, looks like advertisement kinds of things. And then this one kind of looks like it has Christmas cards, Christmas advertising, Christmas labels. Really fun fabric. So I got the pre-cuts last week, so now I finally got the yardage to go with it. All right, this last box. Oh, lots of pre-cuts. Okay, let's see what's in here. Super cute. All right, this is Seashore Drive. We have mini charms and charms. And this is fabric. We got the bolts. I think we're in the last video we did. But this is finally, we're getting the pre-cuts. We also have, oh, that's a different one. This is the charm packs. Now, I already actually have a sample made using these fabrics. Now this is called Renew, and this one is by Sweetwater, and I got it in jelly rolls, charm packs, mini charms, got a couple of those, and layer cakes. So I have all the different pre-cuts of that one. And I'm going to open up one of these charm packs so you can kind of get an idea. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, look at this little rainbow. And I think I have some yardage coming of this, but wouldn't grunge look good with all of this? Fun, fun, fun. So this sample goes with the Seashore Drive charm packs. This pattern is called Simply Charming, and it's one of our patterns by Peachtree Patterns, which is our pattern company that we do here at the Quilted Forest. And it's a very simple, easy to make. I got it done last week and got it all quilted. I just did some really simple quilting, followed the lines on it, got it bound, and it's ready to go. Make sure you hit that like button, make a comment below, share with your quilting friends, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy quilting! Make sure you hit that like button. I've already forgot my lines. I need like you to hold the poster of what I'm supposed to say. Let me try it one more time. Make sure you hit that like button. Share with your girls. Have them. Are you done?
I haven't hit stop yet.
Oh. I'm like, are you done?